Never mind, came back when the line's a lot shorter.
Your hands, arms, and legs inside the vehicle. And please watch your children.
Everyone's watching fireworks, and this is extended hours. Perfect.
Like a grand and miraculous spaceship, our plan is to sail through the universe of time. And for a brief moment, we have been among its passengers. World of tomorrow. Here, in this hostile world, is a castle we begin. Struggling to sum up the next bright idea, recording our knowledge on cave walls. There's only one small problem. When we leave, the recorded knowledge is leaving behind. Now let's move ahead to ancient Egypt. This unknown Egyptian found in Reed's land is some perhaps a civilization.
Get it, spell it, get it,
At this point, each civilization has its own form of writing, which none of the others can understand. But the Phoenicians, who traded with money, they created a single common map. And this map is mechanical technology and the birth of high-tech life we enjoy today. Built the first World Wide Web, and it's leading us into the future. The Jewish scholars call it the first backup system. The books are saved, and with them our dreams of the future. Books make it easy to invent the future in every field, and the result is an incredible explosion in innovation we call the Renaissance. We had to invent a new language, spoken not by us, but a truly global community, poised to shape the future of this, our spaceship Earth.
Please remain seated, time travelers. Attention, travelers. Please remain seated. Your
Let's have some fun creating the future, shall we? On your computer screen, ask a few questions. It will show you a new...
Welcome to the future. Or should I say, your future. future. Getting away on vacation is a breeze. Handy household robots. You'll leave you to see home in an ultra-light, ultra-powerful, totally networked family car that can take you anywhere. You've already planned the trip with your virtual travel. Be a ride at your ultimate vacation destination is out of this world. It's into the future. Looks like it's going to be a great, big, beautiful tomorrow.
80,000 years on Spaceship Earth. While no one knows for sure what we'll see or do, I do know it will be quite an adventure. An adventure that will take and make.
Okay.
But maybe you can carry Cody. That way I can take Eden on the show.
She's making everyone a snowy summer day. Anna saved her sister with an unselfish act of true love and full of friendship. When I finally do what frozen things do in summer.
Here we go. Eden, was that fun?
Honey's wet. She got so.
Eden, did you like that ride? Wasn't that like the coolest ride?
Terrans. We Xandarians and Terrans have much in common, including our mutual love.
Okay.
Or else you're gonna be in trouble.
Okay.
Greetings, Terrans. I am Nova Prime Irani Real, commander of the Nova Corps. All galactic neighbors in a vast universe, which we encounter an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act for a demonstration of the cosmic generator. I trust you will follow.
Epcotians, citizens of Epcot. Does anyone know what they
stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed. It was useless to follow me. What is that noise? Noise? No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing. What have we done? I think we're jumping back. The Big Bang! We got your generator. It is about time. Have you not been paying attention? Nova team, make your star blasters. We have them contained, but not for long. And welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy. We have no room in our ship for these new Jax, it's an honorary title. They're not coming with us. I see. It is meaningless. Well, then welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy. And where's that cake toast?
Eden, did you like that ride? Did you have fun going with Daddy?